Hello everyone. We will discuss about the dangers of AI, ML, and deep learning in the coming years. You might have heard about ChatGPT, which gives answers to most of the questions. ChatGPT can literally give you a code to make websites, Android apps, and many more. ChatGPT is still in its beginning stage. If this level of disruption is being created by an AI at beginning stage, you can imagine how our world will be once these AI development reaches to strong AI stage. ChatGPT at beginning stage can do most of the things that a developer does. It poses a big threat to the jobs of many people. If you can get the code for designing a website for free, then why would you hire a lot of developers? You would hire 2 developers instead of 10 developers. So, these other 8 developers will lose their jobs. A lot of corporate companies might think of reducing their workforce and using these AIs if these AIs cost less. Apart from ChatGPT, there are various other AIs developed like DALL-E 2, which can generate you the image based on text, speech generation AIs, which can generate human-like speech cloning AIs, which can mimic the voices. All these AIs are still in starting stage. What do you think about this? Comment your views and subscribe to our YouTube channel.